YouTube will test your patience. Not to say I not tell you, I dey tell you now. YouTube will test your patience, so it will test it for you. Hey, you are not patient and you want to start YouTube. So they did not tell you. So nobody told you. Okay, I'm here to tell you now that if you are not patient, YouTube is not for you. YouTube is not like TikTok, where you can post one video and that one video will give you 1,000 followers. No, YouTube is not like that. YouTube is not like that. Welcome to YouTube, where you can post a video and that video will have 2,000 views, 4 likes. Welcome to YouTube, where you can have a video of 100,000 views, 100,000 views, 20 comments. You would think it's not possible. It is very possible, and these are the things that normally discourage a lot of people on YouTube. It kills their zeal. That zeal, that thing that is pushing them to continue posting. It kills it. It takes it away from them. So YouTube will test your patience. If you are not patient enough, sorry to say, YouTube is not for you. But I will advise you to be patient, in case you are the type that is not patient and you want to make money. Everybody needs money, right? So if you know you want to make money, extra source of income, so you just need to be patient with yourself. Even though you are not seeing the result, you have tried all the tips and tricks on getting subscribers, yet you are not having subscribers. You have tried all the tips and tricks to get views, yet you are not getting the views. You have tried all the tips and tricks and everything you need to know about growing a YouTube channel, and yet it's not working. Please don't give up. Just continue. Do you know that sometimes I normally ask myself that, okay, all of us, we post on YouTube. That is how YouTube makes their money. Without us, there is no YouTube. You know. Then I'll not be like, okay, why is it that YouTube cannot push my content so that if I'm making money, they're also making money? I normally ask myself like that. So why is it that my video is not going viral the way it's supposed to go viral? So that in as much as I'm making my own money, YouTube is also getting their own. So I'll be like, why is YouTube doing like this? I normally ask myself those questions. But at the end of the day, I'll just tell myself that, okay, if I take YouTube like a business does not blow every day. Like you don't make the same sales every day. The money you make today will be different from the one you make tomorrow. You will make tomorrow, you know. So that is how it is on YouTube. The views you get today might be different from the one you will get tomorrow. So that doesn't mean that you should not give up because the result you are expecting is not what you are seeing. Do you understand? So YouTube will test your patience, and if you are not patient enough, sorry to say, you might not be able to win on YouTube. So that is why I've come to let you know that being patient on YouTube matters a lot. You have to be patient. There is no two ways about it. You have to be patient. I keep using myself as an example. When I started YouTube, I was like, you know, 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. That will not be a problem now. If I tell my family and my friends to subscribe, they will subscribe. And if I tell I will tell people that I see on the road, I will just tell them. Little did I know I was just destroying my channel. I was destroying it. Because when the people that I knew, they all subscribed, okay, I was still not having up to 500 subscribers. So I was like, okay, where am I going to get the other, let's say, 500 subscribers from? It was a war. When I say war, I mean war. But as God may have it, I did some kind of videos and I was able to get more than the 1,000 subscribers that I wanted. So you have to be patient with yourself. If you are not patient, you can easily give up on YouTube. You easily give up. So just try your best and be patient. Be patient. Be patient. No matter what, just continue showing up on YouTube. Continue showing up. Continue showing up. No matter what, continue showing up. That watch hour you are looking for, if you don't continue posting videos, your watch hour will not increase. It will still remain. Even though it's increasing, it will just be little by little, because maybe some people are still watching your old videos, so they will keep adding it. But the more you continue posting, the more your watch hour will keep increasing, like more and more. Do you understand? So try as much as possible not to give up on your YouTube channel. Be patient enough. A patient dog eats the fattest bone. But these days, a lot of people say in our life, say patient does not eat fattest bone again. but I will still let you know that when you are patient, that is when you will win. So continue to be patient and continue to give out value. Give out value. That is another mistake that a lot of people make. You are on YouTube and then you are looking for somebody that you'll be copying from. Anything this person posts, then tomorrow you will run and you go and do exactly the video. In fact, word for word. I remember when that fake background was trending. When this Favour Matthew did their own video on fake background, word for word, some people copied and they said everything. No, now you see, you are unique. Oh, some people don't know you. If you are watching me right now, you are unique in this world of I wanted to say billions of people. We are plenty in this world now. See, there is no other person like you. Now only you, person like you now in this world. There is no other person like you. Like when I say like you, exactly. Even though you are a twin, you have a twin brother or a twin sister. There is no other person like you. So you are unique. So what makes you think that when you do something from your own knowledge, people will not watch it, people will not enjoy it? It's a very big lie. It's a fat lie. So you have to continue posting your content, continue giving out value, continue being serious, and continue to be patient, and one day you win on YouTube. So that is what this topic is all about, and I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from this video. Please don't give up on your channel for any reason. Do not give up on your channel. So guys, thank you so much. That is it for this video, and I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, please drop on the comment section, write something for me, share this video and like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.